you guys all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I usually post weekly, but that whole Thanksgiving week, there's a lot of eating and family, but mostly eating involved. And the next video I wanted to do was a Black Friday haul, and I actually received everything from that Black Friday haul, which was really crazy because usually during Black Friday you get your packages really late because everyone's shopping. But the only thing, like the only product that I was most excited for, that's the only one that isn't here. So hopefully it'll be here this week and I can make my Black Friday haul video because I really want to open all of these packages with you guys. Anyways, this look was inspired by Jean9. I think her name's Jean on Instagram. I'll put her photo right here. And I was kind of using that as an excuse to do another green eyeshadow look. I love green eyeshadow. I feel like it looks really pretty on brown eyes and pretty much everyone. But I mean, this technically doesn't count because it's like a cool tone look, you know, and I haven't really done a cool tone green look. Because I know a lot of people like to complain when YouTubers do the exact same look all the time. So like my downfall would probably be green eyeshadow. It would probably be to the point where like, okay, Sasha, stop using green eyeshadow or your Ofra highlight. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's begin. So the only transition shades that we're going to need is an army green and a navy blue shade. And first we're going to go in with an army green and a pencil brush. This is Team Captain by Colourpop. So again, we're just taking the pencil brush and we're going to be drawing that line first. So I'm still not sure what to call this look yet because I just needed any excuse to do a green look again. I apologize. I feel like there are a lot of YouTubers who like their neutrals or their brown or their copper looks and keep going back to them, but I feel like mine's green. I don't know why. Like, I just feel like green looks really pretty, especially on brown eyes. But I mean, this isn't technically green because I'm using like cool tone shades. I'm just gonna drag this all the way out towards the end of my eyebrow tail. So, I mean, it's been 2 weeks. How was everyone's Thanksgiving? Like, did you guys eat a lot? Did you have to deal with crazy family members? I'm glad my brother also lives in California, but I'm glad that he's not super close to me because I feel like if I'm with him for too long, like, I would murder him. I feel like a lot of brother-sister relationships are like that. Like, it's like you love each other, but you hate each other. I feel like I don't even know what I'm doing with makeup anymore. Like, this feels so odd to me and it's only been like 2 weeks since I put makeup on. I'm probably going to mention this in my intro, but I like posting every week. But the next video I wanted to do was a Black Friday haul because all my upcoming looks and this look have products that I bought from that haul. I mean, all the products are behind me. Okay, next we're gonna draw the green again and connect that line, even though we're kind of gonna be covering up with glitter. But I still want that eyeshadow to be there. Okay, now I'm just gonna softly blend the edges of that with the same pencil brush. Just don't press on it too much, just barely swiping it left and right. Okay, now I'm just going to take a tapered blending brush and blend out the edges of that. And I'm just going to use that same pencil brush to put it on the lower lash line. I really don't like using pencil brushes for my lower lash line because I feel like I always stab myself in the eye and then I get my eyes really watery. But the green was already on this brush, so I might as well use it. And I feel like it tickles my eyes because it's pointy and then it makes my eyes water more. But I think I'm okay right now. Okay, next we're going to be using the navy blue for more of the outer corner just to make it a little bit darker. And I'm going to be using the shade Phantom from the Karity matte palette. This shade right here. I'm just going to use that same pencil brush and put that on the outer corner. I'm gonna drag it in just a tiny bit, but again, we're concentrating most of that color on the outer corner. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that Colourpop green one more time and just blend out the edges of that. I know this looks a little crazy and messy, but it will be cleaned up. I feel like I'm wearing some kind of like weird superhero mask. Okay, now I'm just gonna put that navy blue on my lower lash line closer to my lashes and not as low as this green shade. So just really tight on the lashes. Now you can cut the crease and use any kind of mint shade that you want. I'm going to be using NABLA Cosmetics shade in Zoe. This is such a beautiful mint green shade. I've been wanting to use it ever since I did my NABLA bronze look, because this was also in my NABLA order, but I couldn't really use a green mint shade in my bronze look. So I've been waiting for forever to use this shade. The swatch isn't as beautiful, but this is so pretty on the eyes. The only hard thing about this shade, I doubt it's all of NABLA's eyeshadows, but with this shade specifically, it doesn't pack on well. I've tried packing it on the lid by itself with every kind of brush and it just doesn't really pack on. It's pretty like patchy. I've tried packing it on over concealer when I cut my crease. It didn't work. So I noticed that the best way to pack that on is over a green liquid shadow. So today I'm going to be using Inglot's Aquastic eyeshadow in number 20. This is also such a really cute shade. So there, that's Inglot's color. So I'm just going to pack that on top of that. I'm just going to use my favorite brush, the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 3 brush. I'm just going to paint on the shape I want. You could always just use this by itself or any kind of green liquid shadow, but this is also a little patchy by itself. So adding the eyeshadow on top of this makes it really smooth. So like I said, you can use this alone. It's such a pretty shade, but I've been wanting to use that mint green since forever. So I felt like this would be the best time to use it. I mean, seriously, you could just end it right there and be done. Okay, I'm dreading this next part because I cannot draw straight lines. So I'm gonna have to be super careful. I'm just gonna be using the Sigma E11 eyeliner brush. And I can't breathe because I know I'm gonna mess this up if I start breathing. Now I'm just going to go back in with that Colourpop green shade and fill in right below that line just so it's a little, so it's not patchy. So you're just filling in that line. Okay, so like I said, you could be done right there with that shade. I'm just going to pack that NABLA mint shade over top of that green. See, look how bright and nice and mint that is. Like, it really shines out more than this shade. Okay, now I'm just going to go back in with my Anastasia brush and fill in that line with that same green. I'm just tapping the tip of that brush on top of that line. See, that shade is just so much cooler. I mean, both literally and figuratively. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to be using... Yeah, that would be so cool if Ofra had like a green version of this because Space Baby is really blue. Okay, so you can pretty much stop right there, but I'm going to add some glitter. See, this is the reason I wanted to do makeup looks after my Black Friday haul, because a lot of the things in my haul, or the majority of them, are because I bought them for specific looks that I want to do, and I kind of wanted to open all of that with you guys, but I'm going to have to open 2 boxes, the glitter and the lipstick, but I'm still gonna show them in my Black Friday haul. So now I'm just gonna put some green chunky glitter on the outside. I'm gonna be using GLF Cosmetics glitter in... There's no name on here, let me look it up. This is their chunky glitter in Libra. So I love this packaging and I think it's super cute. But I mean, it's really hard to use it with this packaging because when you dip your brush in there, it will kind of only pick up the big chunky pieces. And if you put it on your hand, it's kind of going to be a waste of glitter. So I just like to put all their glitters in this little stackable pot thing I bought at Michael's like so long ago. Okay, so I'm just going to use some lit glitter glue. Dip in that e.l.f. smudge brush. Glitter glue on the outer corner. Add the glitter. Okay, now for the other side. I swear this is the first time I'm filming and I'm not sweating. Like literally every single time I film, I'm always sweating, like my forehead or on my back, but this is the first time I'm not sweating. Okay, moving on. I'm just going to use a flat shader brush. This is so much easier because it's really straight and defined. This is a flat definer E15 from Sigma. Okay, again, just packing that on the outer corner. I feel like you can't really see the green straight on, but from the side, like it looks really pretty. Okay, now so for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Peaches and Cream Rattlesnake. Okay, I'm just going to pack that in the inner corner with a smudge brush. Probably could have used that as a brow bone highlight. Okay, so I'm just going to put on some lashes, mascara, and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. For lashes, I used e.l.f. Flirtatious lashes. I usually change into a better outfit when I'm finishing, but I'm just like, it's fine. So for lips, again, this is why I wanted to do a Black Friday haul before I did a makeup tutorial, because this lipstick was also in my haul. It's from Melt Cosmetics. So I didn't swatch any of these. I'm going to keep them unswatched. I mean, look how cute is that box. Anyways, I'm going to be using this shade Tomboy. It's like this cool tone army green basically, or olive green. So I want this to still look new when I'm doing my Black Friday haul, so I'm just going to use a lip brush and I'm going to use the back of that lipstick. See, so it still looks new, but yeah, that's the color. And it kind of looks brown, but yeah, it's more of a olive cool tone green, but yeah, it really looks brown in the camera. Oh my gosh, it smells like vanilla. Or like almond cherry. It smells like this lotion I have. Okay, I'm starting to look like a corpse. I mean, that's what I wanted. I wanted all of this to kind of be cool tone. And this is looking a little gray, like green gray. But yeah, that's what I was going for. You know what? This actually looks pretty wearable. Like you can see that there's gray in it, but like a gray nude. I know that sounds weird, but that actually looks kind of wearable. Oh, that actually looks really good. I'm like shocked at how much I like that. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one, hopefully very soon. I'm just waiting for that last package to come and then I could do my Black Friday haul. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.